Top 5 Best 4K Camera Drones 2025. Explore the skies with the top 5 drones of 2025 built for stunning 4K footage, smart flight features and smooth performance. Perfect for beginners and pros who want powerful, portable and reliable aerial cameras. Links in the description for each product mentioned. Number 1. DJI Inspire 1 Drone, 4K UHD camera, 3-axis gimbal, dual control, live HD feed, 4K Ultra HD camera with smooth 3-axis gimbal stabilization. Dual operator mode for separate flight and camera control. Transforming design for 360 degrees unobstructed camera view. Real-time HD video feed via DJI Lightbridge. GPS flight control with auto takeoff and return to home. The DJI Inspire 1 is a professional 4K camera drone designed for filmmakers and creators. Its transforming design allows a full 360 degrees view, while the dual operator system lets one person fly and another control the camera. Enjoy smooth, stable footage with the 3-axis gimbal and real-time HD streaming to your device. Perfect for cinematic aerial shots with precision and reliability. Number 2. DJI Mini 3 Drone, 4K camera, 3-axis gimbal, GPS 9 km range, 32 minutes flight. 4K UHD camera with 3-axis gimbal for smooth stable shots. Ultralight under 250G foldable design for easy travel. 9 km HD video transmission with low latency. Up to 32 minutes of flight time per charge. Smart GPS features. Follow me. Return to home orbit mode. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight 4K camera drone designed for smooth aerial filming. With its 3-axis gimbal, 9 km transmission range and long 32-minute flight time, it's perfect for capturing cinematic shots anywhere. Compact, portable, and smart, ideal for beginners and pros alike. Number 3. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo, 4K 60 FPS HDR camera drone, obstacle avoidance, 34-minute flight, 20 km transmission under 249G. 4K 60 FPS HDR camera with 11.3-inch CMOS sensor for ultra-clear cinematic footage, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, full protection from every angle for safer flights. Extended 34-minute flight time with Fly More Combo's extra batteries and accessories. 20 km HD video transmission, reliable low latency feed with DJI O4 technology. Intelligent flight modes includes active track, 360 degrees waypoints, master shots and hyperlapse. Portable and lightweight under 249G, perfect for travel with no registration needed in most regions. The DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo is the ultimate compact drone for creators who want professional quality aerial footage. Featuring a powerful 4K 60 FPS HDR camera and 360 degrees obstacle sensing, it delivers smooth, stable shots with advanced safety. With a long 34-minute flight time, 20 km HD transmission and smart tracking modes, the Mini 4 Pro makes capturing stunning visuals effortless. Lightweight, foldable and travel-ready, this drone is your all-in-one aerial filmmaking solution. Number 4. CADDXFPV Drone RTF Kit, 4K camera, HD digital FPV system, ready to fly racing drone, brushless motors, long-range transmission. 4K HD digital camera, capture ultra-clear footage with real-time FPV video transmission. Ready to fly kit, pre-assembled and tuned for instant takeoff and flight. High-performance brushless motors deliver smooth, powerful and responsive flight control. Low latency digital FPV system, experience crystal clear video feed for immersive flying, long flight range, reliable and stable signal for extended FPV sessions. Smart flight controller, offers precise stabilization, smooth handling and advanced flight tuning. The CADDXFPV's FPV Drone RTF Kit is built for pilots who demand high performance and stunning visuals. Featuring a 4K digital FPV system, it provides smooth, low latency video for an immersive flight experience. The ready-to-fly design means no complex setup, just power up and start flying. Equipped with powerful brushless motors and a smart flight controller, the Protos delivers agile performance and cinematic stability, making it ideal for both freestyle flying and professional FPV film. Number 5. Contixo F35 GPS Drone with 4K UHD camera, brushless motor, 2-axis gimbal, 5 GHz FPV transmission, 30-minute flight, smart return home. 4K UHD camera with 2-axis gimbal and EIS for smooth, stabilized footage. GPS smart features, auto return, follow me waypoints, and orbit modes for hands-free flying. Powerful brushless motors deliver quieter, more efficient and stable performance. Long flight time, up to 30 minutes per battery with extended range control. 0.5 GHz FPV transmission, enjoy real-time video streaming with minimal lag. Foldable and portable design, easy to carry with included carrying case for travel. The Contixo F35 GPS drone combines power, precision and performance for stunning aerial shots. Its 4K UHD camera with EIS and 2-axis gimbal ensures ultra-smooth video capture, while GPS-assisted flight modes make piloting effortless. With brushless motors, a 30-minute flight time, and 5 GHz real-time transmission, it's perfect for both beginners and pros. Compact, foldable and travel-ready, the Contixo F35 is your reliable partner for high-quality aerial photography anywhere.